It's a little after 9:15 right now. And still mainly wind and rain, nothing too bad though. A lot of wind. Wind's picking up quite a bit though. Still not too bad. It's not really raining all that hard, it's mainly sprinkling. Uh, Frogs allowed, obviously, but I won't get bad for another couple hours. At least till about. Say at worst, it's supposed to come around midnight, but let's see. Do you hear a voice in the background? It's my dad. He's talking to his brother, so this one's gonna be an interesting night. So stay tuned. We're gonna try to put more videos if I can. Depends on power situation and everything. So, anyways, stay tuned. Here comes a good gust.
This thing gets.
Give a good gust.
That's what happened in '04. Hurricane Charlie came through, loosened up some things, right? Houses were okay.